Hi there, I'm Danny, and today I'm going to show you how to use your keyless entry in the event of an emergency. The keyless entry is available on all these models, including the Forza 125, SH300, SH125i, and the XADV. First thing you need to do is locate one of two emergency keys and your serial number to get started. You want to remove this panel by using the end of this emergency key, and you just want to pull out the panel with ease. You want to use the emergency key, slot it inside, find the pattern and twist. Once you've twisted it, you will hear a small click in the seat. That will then allow you to open the seat and locate the toolkit. Inside the seat you will have your toolkit where you will need to locate your emergency connector. With the screwdriver, which is also located in your toolkit, you will need to remove the panel here on the floorboard.
Nice now, yeah.
You want to locate these two cables and you want to remove the tape. Take the cap off of this socket just by using this little lever right there. Grab your emergency connector and then fit it to the bike. You will then see the blue light go on. Using the serial numbers on this key tab, insert them into the ignition switch. Wait for the blink. Type in the number, so if it's a 0, leave it alone. That will be a 6. Wait for the other one. Type in the next number, which is a 2. Once you've entered it, this will start flashing. Remove this coil once you've entered all your numbers. Connect this back in. Once you've done that, twist it, bike will turn on and you can continue using it as normal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps. Please refer to your owner's manual if you have got a different model, as different entry points will be located in different models.